Are you looking for the best LED under cabinet lighting in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best LED under cabinet lighting that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. Fenner 48-inch under cabinet lighting 4000 kelvins, ushering us to our top-notch reviews. This high-quality LED under cabinet lighting comes in a lightweight design which allows you to easily mount it anywhere. The aluminum alloy makes it interesting even to stare on. And because it is beefed up to give you the best experience as you carry out your kitchen-related activities, it features a sensor which automatically turns it on and off without the need for fumbling around for buttons. Coming in different varieties, you can now exercise your freedom of choice over the different sizes and color temperatures. The 2 lighting modes mean that you can now choose the auto on and off mode or the all-time lighting mode. And since it is made to dovetail your home furniture, it comes in a slick silver chrome design which also adds beauty to your home. Number 4. Oxy LED motion sensor lights under cabinet lighting closet light. If you want to enjoy precisely cooked meals, the first thing you have to eliminate from your kitchen is guesswork. And to do this, you will need to ensure that your kitchen is properly lit to ensure that you clearly see everything you are doing in the kitchen. This is why Oxy LED brings you this top-class LED under cabinet lighting that will not just illuminate your kitchen, but also add more beauty. The lighting comes with automatic off-on feature to eliminate the hassle of dealing with buttons every time you come in and go out of the kitchen. The 3/6 LED lights mean that it is a great option for anyone after the ultra-bright models. And since it is made with efficiency in mind, it features Oxy LED intelligent sensor chip precisely detects motion to automatically turn off the lighting after 15 to 20 seconds if there is no motion detected. The built-in battery features a large battery capacity of 900 mAh and is easy to recharge using a USB cable. Number 3. Lighting Ever LED under cabinet lighting. Just in case you are looking for the affordable models that won't disappoint, this should be your perfect option. It's highly versatile since it can also be used for bookcase lighting, cabinet lighting, kitchen lighting, and for task lighting. It features a compact and lightweight design which makes it super easy to mount and to remove. A single package coming with 6 panels. Each panel can be used independently to give 300 lumens, while the combination of the 6 panels delivers up to 1800 lumens to meet your different lighting needs. The body is made of a commercial-grade aluminum material to not only prolong the product lifespan but also to perfectly conduct the heat from the LED. Number 2. New, EShine 6 panels 12-inch LED dimmable under cabinet lighting kit. Whether you want to brighten up your kitchen counter, closet, or any other place you have ever dreamed of, this will be a dependable option. And since the outdated buttons, dimmer knobs and remote control systems may not be perfect for the kitchen, this light features a built-in smart IR sensor which for turning it on/off by just a wave of a hand. And when it comes to adjustability, you just need to hold your hand steadily under the sensor for dimming. The light is made of durable plastic and aluminum materials for enhanced durability, lighting your kitchen for years. And since it only weighs 1.7 pounds, it is super easy to transport. Number 1. EShine 4 panels 12-inch LED under cabinet lighting. Also coming from EShine, this versatile under cabinet lighting also features a sensitive IR sensor which turns it on or off with just a simple wave. The light is eco-consciously made, hence it will only use less power to deliver ultra-bright lighting without negatively affecting the environment. And since they are made of high quality and sturdy materials, we are safe to say that this amazing light is made to serve you for years. The under cabinet light also features 2 lighting modes, hence you can select the one that pairs your mood. It is also easy to mount as compared to most models on the market.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.